Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 8 highest selling Emmitt Smith rookie cards. Now, for those of you that don't know, he has one of the most impressive resumes for a running back of all time. Check this out, guys. 3-time Super Bowl champ, 1-time MVP. He is currently the leader for most rushing touchdowns scored in the NFL at 164, most rushing yards in the NFL at 18,355, beating Walter Payton, Frank Gore, Barry Sanders, and AP. Most NFL touchdowns, he's second next to Jerry Rice, so he's got 175 touchdowns. Jerry Rice has 208, very close. NFL rushing yards in the playoffs, Emmitt Smith is the leader for 1,586, beating Franco Harris and Thurman Thomas, Tony Dorsett, Marcus Allen. So Emmitt Smith, he is like statistically numero uno. Touchdowns in the playoffs, Emmitt Smith at 19, beating Franco Harris and Thurman Thomas, TD, Marshawn Lynch, John Riggins. So guys, I think Emmitt Smith is going to be a collectible player for many, many, many decades to come, okay? However, they were printed in the junk wax era. So we had to pay attention to population reports. We had to pay attention to supply and demand, because if the market has a correction, you want to make sure you're holding the right cards. And I think Emmitt Smith is a good rookie card to invest in. And which Emmitt Smith rookie card should you guys be on the lookout for fakes? I'm going to cover that in the video. Some PSA graded and Beckett graded, potentially fake cards, counterfeit cards. I'm not an expert. I'm not claiming that they're fake. However, you know, there has been speculation that they have been graded. So I'm going to cover that later on in the video. Without any further ado, let's jump into this list. Coming in at number 8 is his 1990 Pro Set rookie card number 685, graded PSA 10, sold at auction on May 31st for $150. Now, Pro Set, guys, I remember I had these cards when I was a kid. Lots of them out there. Let's look at the pop report, the PSA. So far, about 4,100 have been submitted and 678 were found in PSA 10 condition. The price action on these cards, before the hobby exploded, they were selling for about 30, 40, 50 bucks a piece for a PSA 10. However, they took off in last year, in 2020, May. The peak was at $335, all-time high, and they corrected back down to $100. So if you bought in here, you doubled your money still. If you sold here, you made some pretty good profits. However, if you held, you're still in, double your money. If you bought in here, forget about it. It's going to take a while to get back up there, but you want to buy at the low and sell at the high if you're trying to make money. However, if you're long-term investing, guys, you're a long-term collector, buying at $100, I think that's a fair price for a PSA 10. I think $100 PSA 10 with the low pop report of 678, I think $100 is a fair price. So that's number 8. And I like this photo. I like the photo of the card. Nice Dallas Cowboys. Doesn't have a rookie logo on it, but it's still 1990 Pro Set Emmitt Smith rookie card. No border, full bleed photo. Coming in at number 7 is the 1990 Fleer Update Emmitt Smith rookie card number U40, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, sold at auction on June 3rd for $165. A lot of you guys have this card out there. Graded PSA 10, $165. So far, 8,000 have been submitted to PSA, with 2,800 fetching a PSA 10 grade. Look at this, guys. About 35, 40 bucks at the beginning of 2020. Huge jump, $400. Major correction, back down to 150, 130. So if you bought in here, you're down, but if you were holding here, you're up still. You're up. Okay, guys, you got to look at the big picture when it comes to market evaluation, essentially. And check this out, guys. So if you bought in here and you saw the prices plummet, you don't want to sell. I don't think you want to sell, because you're buying at the highs and selling at the lows. You don't want to do that. You just hold, okay? And look, it went back up. So that could easily happen again, especially if you're holding a low population. Hall of Fame, greatest of all time player. Now, I'm not saying Emmitt Smith is the greatest of all time, because that's an opinion. That's not a fact. I think he's definitely top 3 greatest running backs of all time. But you want to hold and just wait for the market to come back up. So it's setting higher lows. So it was at about I would say 120. Now the low is at 140, so you just keep holding, watching the market, staying patient, maybe pick up a couple more, dollar cost average. Now it's not a bad time to be doing that, guys. Me personally, I would want this card in my collection, but I'm not gonna go in all in on this particular card. There's better options, and I'm gonna get into that later on into the list. Coming in at number 6 is the 1990 Topps Traded number 27T Emmitt Smith Rookie Card, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, sold at auction on April 4th for $307. Now this card, guys, a lot of you have seen. There are a lot out there. 17,500 almost have been submitted to PSA. 4,200 found in PSA 10 condition, gem mint condition. Check this out. Look at this. When the graph is this big, there's all this data, that means the population is pretty high, okay? Lots of price action. Last year, or beginning of this year, they were at $100. We had a huge spike. Not sure why, and I'm not sure what happened with Emmitt Smith cards, but huge spike and correction back down to 150, 180-ish. So if you bought in here and you didn't sell here and you missed out, oh well, you know, it is what it is. Just continue to hold. Or you could even sell, try to list for like, you know, 300 and take 200 if you bought in at, you know, $100. But like I said, guys, we're making higher lows, okay? Higher lows. At least the market's not doing this, I don't think. I mean, dang, I wished. I mean, 25 bucks for a PSA 10. I would want this card for the collection because it's Topps Traded. However, I don't think it's the best investment Emmitt Smith rookie card. Maybe I'll be in at $100, but like I said, guys, it's the market. And you know, there are guys who are doubling down right now and picking up some dirt cheap stuff, okay? Moving on to number 5 is the 1990 action-packed Emmitt Smith All Madden Rookie Card number 9, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, sold at auction on May 24th for $327. Now, if you guys don't know, these cards have like a bevel and an emboss. They're not like your traditional trading card. They're like embossed, okay? Not many have been submitted, guys. Look at this, 500, less than 600 have been submitted. Only 105 PSA 10s. That's extremely rare. And currently, check this out. It's all over the place, really. When a card with such a low population, it's hard to get consistent data. However, we do know that they were selling for around under $100 before the boom, and then they broke 100, broke 200, 300, 4, and then it come back down, correction to 200. Now they're up to 600, back down to 327. So I think, guys, around, you know, I would say maybe 250. I would say 250 would be a good buying point on this card, especially considering how low the population is. And it is his rookie card. However, it's not from the rookie update set, which I'm going to get into, which is at number 4. So let's go ahead and jump into number 4. So coming in at number 4 is the 1990 action-packed Emmitt Smith Rookie Update card. Now this actually has the rookie logo on it. You can see the R on the helmet right there. So I am actually more attracted to this card as an investment and even collecting. But check out the price tag, guys, $1,136 on April 4th. But these are tough to grade. These are very difficult to grade. Let's check out the pop report. 2,381 submitted so far. Only 203 found in PSA 10 gem mint condition. And the price action, guys. So before the boom, they were at about $200. The sports card boom, you all know what I'm talking about, hopefully. And they peaked up at around $600. Came back down to 310, and boom, up to 1,258. I would consider these outliers, meaning, you know, maybe some FOMO was going on, because look at that correction back down, maybe some more FOMO. But these are healthy prices. When you see an outlier like this, I like to take the graph and kind of, you know, you want to see a gradual increase. You don't want to see these parabolic moves, essentially. You want to just have a gradual increase, and that's how you know, I think, in my opinion, it's a healthy investment. And I would do is average the two sales, really. So I would say 303 by 600, maybe $450. Yeah, about $450 would be a healthy price right now. Even less, maybe $400. And you can see that's, you know, consistent with the price action. It's slowly going up. But this is, guys, with the pop report being so low, only 203. I mean, man, it's tough to give a value on something as rare as that, especially with such a significant player. Action Pack isn't the most iconic set. However, guys, that could change over time. This could be the Emmitt Smith rookie card to get with such a low population, especially when you look at the other cards on this list. So let's go ahead and jump into number 3. So coming in at number 3, this is where we get into the counterfeit issues. The 1988 Burger King Florida Gators Emmitt Smith Rookie number 2, graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, sold at auction on April 23rd, $2,010, 34 bids. PWCC sold the card. Let's go ahead and get into the pop report and the price action first. So only 214 have been submitted so far to PSA. Just 71 found in PSA 10 condition. Price action. Back in 2019, $500, $688, $688. Huge jump. At beginning of this year, even bigger jump, $38.50, correction down to $2,000. Okay, so that's a pretty hefty price tag. Now, if you look on online, I'll put the link in the description below to this article. Beckett made an article on this particular card, having numerous counterfeits, and it's going to show you right here on the counterfeit cards, the Burger King stamp. It's thinner, it's lighter, it's not as heavily inked on the counterfeits, and on the real ones, it's thicker with heavy ink. Also, there is no registered trademark on the Burger King logo like this one does. This one has it. And the Gators registered trademark. This one doesn't have it though. Also, if it doesn't have a Burger King logo, they're said to be counterfeit. So check this out, guys. This one was graded PSA 8. Doesn't have the Burger King logo. However, it has the Gators registered trademark right next to the name, but since it doesn't have the Burger King logo, there are guys out there who are claiming that these are counterfeit. And if you look at this one, it has the registered trademark next to the Gators name. It's hard to see, but there is. It's like a small little dot. It has a registered trademark logo next to the Gators name, Burger King icon, and the registered trademark icon stamped next to the Burger King logo. Okay, so if you look at the one that's sold, it has the stamp but no registered trademark logos, stamps. It has the Burger King logo, but no registered trademark next to the Burger King or the Gators. And this looks thick and heavy, bold, I guess. And these were handed out at Burger King, I think on campus, the Florida Gators campus, they were handed out. I'm not sure if Burger King printed different versions. So the one without the registered trademark would be like first edition, and then the one with the registered trademarks were second edition. So it's tough to say. I'm not an expert, but do be careful, guys. Watch out for counterfeits because there are out there. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link in the description below, but be careful, look out for fakes. Make sure to do your research, all right? Coming in at number 2 is a 1989 Florida Gators, or Smokey the Bear, Emmitt Smith rookie card graded PSA 10, gem mint condition, sold for $6,300. Now, I believe these were handed out at the Florida Gators University. I really couldn't find much information on them, but you can see the pop report for the PSA pop report is very low. Very low. Only 60 have been submitted so far, with 13 found in PSA 10 condition. Price action only going up, guys. Only going up, which is very, very interesting. This is one of the few cards that are doing this right now in the hobby, just continuing to go up. Number 1, the number 1 Emmitt Smith rookie card recently sold is his 1990 Score Supplemental rookie card number 101T, graded BGS 10, pristine condition, sold at auction on May 24th for $9,101. Look at this, guys. 10 centering, 10 corners, 10 surface, 9.5 edges. Very close to that BGS black label. Score supplemental. It doesn't say rookie on the card, but this appears to be right now in the market Emmitt Smith's number 1 rookie card. If you look at the Beckett Pop report, 12 have been found in the BGS 10 condition, and so far of the 4,900 roughly, no BGS 10 black labels have been given. A PSA 10 is selling for around $1,675 right now. $2,000, $2,500. If you look at the pop reports, only 745 found in PSA 10, 9,000 have been submitted, and just only 745 found in PSA 10. That's pretty rare, I think, 745. If you look at the price action, look at this, guys. Look at how literally back in 2016, $351, and then 2019, $311. So this, man, I cannot believe how it just ran parallel. $300 consistently, no ups, no downs. I mean, the lows, I guess, was probably like 230, I think I saw. And then boom, the hobby took off, had a peak at 1550, valley at 743, a new high at 1875, a higher low at 1000. And then check that out, parabolic at 6300. So if you sold at 6300, good for you. It come back down 1525. I think that's a good, slow and steady wins the race kind of price right there. 1525, good average. Down to 1,000. That was a good pickup for $1,000 because right now it's at 1251. So you're up $251 if you bought in at 1,000. But if you were buying in at 300 right here consistently, man, you are definitely up. If you bought in up here, you are not up. You bought in at the high. You FOMO'd in, and you guys, that's number 1. You got to not FOMO in. Just like stocks, just like crypto, everything else. You don't want to buy at the highs, at the peaks, when everybody else is buying. You want to buy when the price is down and the hype is down. And you only know that by doing your research and looking at the price action of the market and seeing what they were selling for and what they're at now. Dollar cost average, that's what a lot of guys are doing. But $12.51 is the new low, which isn't too bad compared to the $22.25 in last September. But PSA 10's only $745. So I think that's pretty low. A healthy price for this card, in my opinion. So what I would do to come up with a healthy price right now is take that $12.51 and the $1,000, add that up. We got $2,251 divided by 2, which is $1,125. I think is a good price for this card right now. And when PSA 10 examples start ending at auction higher than that, and you start making new higher lows, then that price is going to go up. The average is going to go up. You know, it's just only time is going to tell. So that's it, guys. The top 8 Emmitt Smith rookie card. Some price action going on. I'm going to keep doing more of these videos. Stay posted for more content. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support. I'll see you on the next video.